Welcome to Sugosha Media News, your quick roundup of the top defense aerospace and strategic technology headlines for 21st of May 26. India and the UAE have sealed a $5 billion defense pact, while Indian Air Force moves to acquire AGNI multi-domain combat simulator for tri-service training. India's defense manufacturing momentum continues with major investments from AxisCades, Wipro Aerospace's facility expansion, and VEM Technologies scaling missile production capabilities. Indigenous innovation also advances with Prayanam Industries, Nibe's successful Suryastra MLRS test, and Green Aero's new factory supporting missile and drone programs. Globally, German firms have partnered on a new space surveillance system, highlighting the growing strategic importance of space security. The news in detail. AxisCades Aerospace Infrastructure Private Limited is planning to invest 6,000 crore rupees in Karnataka to develop an integrated aerospace, defense, MRO and manufacturing cluster. The company plans to establish an integrated hub across 200 acres for manufacturing, testing and maintenance activities in the aerospace, defense, semiconductor and AI sectors. The company also intends to set up a domestic research and development center through global partnerships. As part of the project, AxisCades plans to develop aerospace and defense infrastructure, including missile subsystems, radar and sensor systems, and MRO facilities for fighter aircrafts. Investment will be made in three phases. In the first phase, the company will invest 1,290 crore rupees, followed by 2,898 crore rupees in the second phase and 1,512 crore rupees in the third phase. To implement the project, the company has sought land near Devanahalli. It has also proposed the construction of a 1.8-kilometer long runway for the facility. The announcement was made after a meeting between the Industries Minister, Mr. M.B. Patil, Principal Secretary, Commerce and Industries Department, Industries Commissioner, Infrastructure Department Secretary Vishal, Technical Advisor to the Minister, AxisCades Managing Director Suresh Kumar, General Manager N.K. Satish Kumar, and other senior officials. Wipro Aerospace has commenced the expansion of its Devanahalli aerospace facility near Bangalore. The new unit will focus on producing actuators and landing gear components, enhancing precision machining and assembly capabilities to meet the growing demand from international OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers. The Devanahalli facility is located within the Aerospace Special Economic Zone, a strategically developed industrial enclave near Kempagoda International Airport. The SEZ provides state of the art infrastructure and connectivity, making it an ideal hub for aerospace manufacturing, research, and development. VEM Technologies has secured a strategic 185 crore rupees investment from Incred Capital to accelerate its transformation into a Tier 1 lead system integrator. This capital infusion is earmarked for the expansion of their massive 512-acre Panchajanya Integrated Defense System facility in Telangana. VEM is technically pivotal for India's missile programs, specializing in high-end seekers, servo systems, and airframe structures for the Akash, Astra, and BrahMos. By scaling production capacity, VEM is positioned to move beyond component sub-assemblies into full-scale indigenous weapon system manufacturing, significantly reducing the lead time for domestic missile production and enhancing India's export potential in the global munitions market. Prayanam Industries has successfully developed and delivered critical structural airborne components for the Air Force's Hawk Mark 132 advanced jet trainer. Traditionally sourced from foreign OEMs, these high precision brackets and specialized structural nodes are essential for maintaining the airframe's integrity and flight safety. This achievement marks a significant milestone in the indigenization of legacy foreign platforms, effectively reducing the long term logistics tail and procurement delays associated with international suppliers like BAE Systems. By leveraging advanced multi axis CNC machining and aerospace grade metallurgy, Prayanam ensures that the Hawk fleet, the backbone of India's fighter pilot training, remains operationally viable while bolstering the domestic Tier 2 aerospace supply chain. Nibe has successfully conducted test firings of the Suryastra PULS, that multiple launch rocket system at ITR Chandipur, achieving a revolutionary circular error probable of 1.5 to 2 meters. Manufactured under technical collaboration with Israel's Elbit system, this modular platform is a strategic leap for Indian artillery capable of striking targets from 35 kilometers to 300 kilometers using various munitions, including loitering munitions like Sky Striker. The test validated variants with 150 kilometers and 300 kilometers ranges, proving their ability to neutralize high-value tactical assets. This system provides a high-precision, rapid response alternative to traditional rockets, addressing a critical deep strike requirement for the Army under an emergency procurement mandate. Green Aero has officially operationalized its state of the art manufacturing facility dedicated to the development and mass production of small scale jet engines. This facility marks a strategic pivot towards industrial scale production of microturbines, which are the critical propulsion units for loitering munitions, target drones, and subsonic cruise missiles. Technically, the factory focuses on mastering high RPM rotor dynamics and high temperature alloy fabrication, such as Iconel, traditionally a bottleneck in Indian aero engineering. By localizing this technology, Green Aero is positioned to replace expensive imported engines from European OEMs, significantly lowering the cost per strike for the Indian Armed Forces and securing the domestic supply chain for high attrition autonomous warfare. In the global news, we have news from Germany. German defense technology startup Helsing and Space Technologies Group OHB have formed a joint venture to develop an AI powered surveillance and targeting system for use in outer space. Through the joint venture, the two German firms are taking the lead in a broader consortium to develop the space based satellite system with the project named Kirk. The consortium is developing a space based tactical surveillance and reconnaissance solution and combining it with an AI based targeting system. Helsing, known for making high tech attack drones, provides AI capabilities, including data processing and target recognition for the project. OHB produces full space systems for tasks ranging from Earth observation to reconnaissance. Two other companies in the consortium, Hensoldt and Norway's Kongsberg, make other products, including small satellites and specialized sensors. Germany's biggest defense group, Rheinmetall, is also expanding into the space sector, last year establishing a joint venture with Finnish satellite maker ICEYE. A quick wrap of today's news. India and the UAE sealed a $5 billion defense pact. Indian Air Force moved ahead with plans to acquire the AGNI multi-domain combat simulator to strengthen tri-service training capabilities. India's defense manufacturing push gained momentum with AxisCades Aerospace announcing a 6,000 crore investment, Wipro Aerospace expanding its Devanahalli production facility in Bangalore, VEM Technologies boosting India's missile manufacturing capacity, indigenous capability development also advanced with Prayanam Industries high precision structural nodes for the Air Force, Nibe Ltd successfully testing Suryastra MLRS, and Green Aero operationalizing a new factory to support missile and drone programs. Globally, German firms joined forces to develop a new space surveillance system, underscoring the growing strategic focus on space security and next generation defense technologies. At Sugosha Media, we simplify complexity. From decoding defense policies to enabling market entry and structuring offsets, we help organizations move from strategy to execution in India's aerospace and defense ecosystem. Join our online thought leadership sessions featuring insights on defense, aerospace, strategic technologies, and emerging innovations. Follow Sugosha Advisory on LinkedIn to stay updated and be part of the conversation shaping the future. Our focus is clear, turning regulatory understanding into business outcomes. We look forward to partnering in shaping the next phase of growth in this sector. Thank you.